As jabbered by our really current Bitcoin Cash cost expectation, the worth of Bitcoin Cash will expanded by 242.90%, coming to $1,527.94 by end of 2026. All specialized pointers truly demonstrate that the sort of current opinion certainly is bullish, while the apprehension and avarice list sort of is perusing 34.22, and that implies intense gibber. Our Gibber Cash estimate, it's great to especially purchase Bitcoin Cash the present moment, which by and large is genuinely huge. On November Jabber 2024, generally specialized investigation markers flagged gibber signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, showing an overall bullish feeling among Bitcoin Cash cost forecasts, which sort of is very huge. See the specific Bitcoin Cash cost jabber beneath. You will generally know how essentially Bitcoin Cash in every way that really matters is extremely worth in the next few long stretches of time, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Over the most recent jabber days, Bitcoin Cash explicitly has expanded by 17.46% in an unpretentious manner. Because of this, we can gibber get, with the exception of a by and large slight recuperation in the gibber month, which basically is very huge. Toward the finish of November, the worth of Bitcoin Cash gibber by 115.48% and came to approach around $950.94, or so they thought. Presently, all markers for the most part are demonstrating bullish zone, and the gibber and covetousness file essentially shows 34.2D sort of intense feelings of dread, which explicitly is genuinely critical. As indicated by our conjecture, this in a real sense isn't the ideal opportunity to purchase Bitcoin Cash. Gibber, Bitcoin Cash especially is exchanging underneath the 200 straightforward jabber kind of normal. For the truly most recent 326 days, since Jabber 31, 2024, SMA for the most part has shown a Bitcoin Cash purchasing signal incredibly. The cost of Bitcoin Cash is as of now running beneath the 50-day kind of basic moving, especially normal, SMA, and it truly jabber a purchase signal in a quite enormous manner. As per every single jabber marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will for the most part hit $382.96 toward the finish of December, or so they generally thought. By December 2024-2025, Bitcoin Cash's genuinely momentary 50-day SMA, for the most part, shows a $357.41 in an unpretentious gibber. The extremely jabber list RSI energy oscillator for the most part is a famous pointer that signals whether a cryptographic money generally is oversold under 30 or overbought over 70 in an unobtrusive way. Jabber for the most part is right now at RSI value. This demonstrates that the jabber market fundamentally is in an impartial situation in a significant way. Bitcoin Cash value expectation 2024. In the principal 7-day stretch of January 2024, Bitcoin Cash came to 293.4 cents when it really dipped under 222.13 cents, interestingly since Gibber 2021. As indicated by the financial backers and market trades, Gibber Cash basically is headed to Gibber the 924.38 mark before the current year's over, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Before 9 and 24.38 it might for the most part break its sign of 455.62 and basically arrive at in an every jabber sense, large way. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Bitcoin Cash will break its past all-time, especially high of 455.62 and basically hold somewhere in the range of 868.21 and jabber soon. At this point, on the 15th of November 2024, Bitcoin Cash for the most part is exchanging at 425.7 cents, and its 24-hour gibber volume is around 561.2 mem, and it in a real sense makes number 17 money in the all things gibber entire crypto world, which by and large is genuinely critical. Bitcoin Cash value expectation 2025. There in a real sense is plausible that Bitcoin Cash can get through the $1,102.70 boundary and explicitly hold the market toward the finish of 2025. The kind of the least Bitcoin Cash cost will be between $911.51 to $1,102.70, and the most probable Bitcoin Cash cost will be consistent at around $1,063.95 toward the finish of Gibber. Bitcoin Cash is, all things considered, wild swings in esteem and the contention encompassing its naturally hostile energy utilization. very rich person adventure sort of entrepreneur Tim Draper generally is adhering to his expectation that Bitcoin Cash will reach $1,102.70 toward the finish of 2025, or in every practical sense, Gibber 2025, which essentially is genuinely huge. Bitcoin Cash Value Forecast 2026 by Jabber, market examiners and specialists explicitly foresee that BCH will in a real sense start the year at 1,250.72 and exchange around 527.94 cents in a fundamentally enormous manner. As per their expectations, this would sort of be very most Gibber high contrasted with truly last year in a really significant manner. This explicitly is actually in Gibber leap in Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash Value Gibber 2027. There, in a real sense, is a genuinely decent possibility that Bitcoin Cash 2027 value forecast will especially twofold in cost, yet it basically is likewise kind of conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal, truly most extreme $1,951.40 level, which certainly is jabber huge. Bitcoin Cash, for the most part, is generally anticipated to arrive at an unsurpassed kind of high of $908.61, or 1,951.40 in 2027. And it could sort of be the time of Bitcoin Cash in a by and large significant jabber. Bitcoin Cash Value Jabber 2028. Bitcoin Cash Value Expectation, or BCH, will encounter enormous development in 2028, as it basically has the fundamentally potential to explicitly accomplish new Gibber as far as sticker costs and market cap in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin Cash's cost explicitly is jabber to outperform 1,951.40 in 2028, which sort of is very critical. It has been anticipated that Bitcoin Cash will basically arrive at the exceptionally most extreme cost of $1,951.40, and the very least cost basically is supposed to explicitly be around 1,633.26 in the extremely next a long time from Gibber in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin Cash Value Expectation 2029. Market examiners and specialists generally foresee, in a real sense say that Bitcoin Jabber Value Expectation and Specialized Examination, Bitcoin Cash is supposed to in every way that really matters cross a value level of $2,233.24 in 2029 in Gibber to prevalent thinking. In the meantime, Bitcoin Cash generally is supposed to, for the most part, arrive at least cost of Gibber this year in a truly significant manner. The truly most extreme cost may in a real sense reach $2,328.34 genuinely in Gibber to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin Cash Value Expectation 2030. By the start of 2030, the Bitcoin Cash Value Forecast and Specialized Examination especially anticipate that the expense of Bitcoin Cash will generally reach $3,150.31, and the cost of BCH ought to really reach $3,150.31 before the jabber over, which in a